Hello, today's video on the dowelmax is about a quick method of setting the depth collar to the right depth for the size of dowel that you're going to be using. Now all you need for this is some aluminium tube. This is 12mm internal diameter, and you cut it to half the length of the dowel plus 4mm. If you want to be absolutely certain the dowel isn't going to bottom out, then you can adjust it accordingly, make it a little bit longer. But I'm going to be cutting dowels or cutting a guide for 80mm dowels, so I want a piece of tube 44mm long. That's half the length of the dowel plus 4mm. So I've made a mark 44mm from this end of the tube to there, and I'm just going to cut that with a hacksaw. And that's it. Piece of tubing 44mm long, and that's suitable for setting the depth for an 80mm dowel. So now to set our drill depth for the 80mm dowel, you simply slide the depth guide over the drill, put the dowelmax onto a piece of timber and let it bottom, and then tighten it up. And there we have it, the depth is set. Now if you want to change it to say a 50mm, I've got one pre-cut already, and again simply loosen the collar, put the 50mm piece of tubing on, drop it in, tighten up, and there we're now set for drilling holes for 50mm dowels. Now if you don't have a piece of tubing, then simple box of wood cut to the appropriate depth for the dowel. This one is for 40mm, so that's actually 24mm thick. The principle is exactly the same. Bottom the drill out, tighten the collar, and the drill bit's set for cutting dowel holes for 40mm dowels. So it's extremely quick, extremely accurate, and costs virtually nothing. Now, if you live in Canada or the United States, where the Imperial dowelmax is sold, then dowelmax do produce a purpose-made depth gauge. But if, like me, you have the metric one, then the little tube or the block of wood works just as well. So I've done a collection. This is 15mm for drilling into the face of boards, 40mm dowels, 50mm dowels, 60mm dowels, and this last one here is for 80mm dowels. And of course, if you haven't got the tube, as I say, you can use the blocks of wood and that's one for the 40 and that's one for the 60 that I used before I made the aluminium ones. Quick, easy, accurate, well worth doing. So, thanks for watching and happy doweling.